Is it you? Come closer, I need to be sure it is really you. Yes. Finally you have come. I have seen you're coming. You don't have to say a word. I know why you are here. You want to learn about the great RURIK. Now this is a story all about how his life got turned down. And I'd like to take a minute, just make no fuss. I'll tell you how he made the kingdom called Rus. The crown focus shall be in Holmgirder, and my bastard son shall be regent. Of course I take a court physician if available. And I will search for a smith to craft me some protection. To catch up with my poor learning I will pick scholarship, and of course I want to become king of Novgorod. With scholarship I can now build an observatory. My bastard son will be designated heir, and then I directly increase tribal organization, which allows me to steal land from my vassal. With the enormous amount of money I start with, I am free to spam forts everywhere and also build a temple town for the extra income. The next thing to spam is the speed button. So I decided to wait and look around a bit when all of a sudden Now that is what I call a good start. We are now the power center of the region. Now it's time to invest in technology. I always prioritize military organization and unlocking new buildings. Regarding culture, noble customs and majesty are the most important picks. As natural, a defensive pact is formed against us, but it's no problem. We can wait. In the meantime, my wife is about to deliver the next child. Budley. Funny name. And Budley it shall be. The war in Polotsk shot me high up in the ranks of the wolf warriors. Maybe after a bit of raiding I will soon be able to start my legend. All cards seem in place to get the second bloodline. Speaking of blood, Helgi, my bastard son and heir, is not married yet. Since he starts with the Slavic faith, he will marry a Slavic woman. And if I want my dynasty to take over Russia, they should start making kids early on. Continue spending money and prestige on buildings as long as you can afford it. Whatever happens in the future, your home place will be strong. My fellow family members, my brothers in arms of the wolf warriors, and to all my fellow subjects. Welcome. Welcome to the Ting. Today I will share with you the message the wise seer shared with me. Indeed, we achieved much already. All of Russia respects and fears the name of RURIK. Skol. But before we head out to unite the entire kingdom of the Rus, there is something else I have to do. Brothers, sisters, we are not allowed to forget our roots. We are Vikings, and too long we have been disconnected from our gods. We are to set sail, at least one last time. Explore foreign lands and, most importantly, pillage and plunder. So I am happy to announce that we will head out soon. Raise the banners. Ready the ships. The legend of the Rus has merely begun. RURIK starts out with 40 event ships. And the time has come to make use of them. Raise our troops and prepare to set sail. The only question is where we shall go. Ah yes, the lands of Christians and Muslims alike. We can surely take advantage of that. It seems they share Sicily, so I think I am free to go. I want the seat of a ruler, so I can get some prisoners to ransom. And with every holding falling, our money is stacking. But this is not all. Our ships too. Store some cash to unload once we are home. But some prisoners seem to be literally worthless. But not to the gods. I shall hold a blot here, where we are raiding in honor of Aden. That's right. If your daddy can't afford you, we will go high and crazy about sniffing on your blood. I am sure all my Slavic vassals will want to come over to Sicily to join in on the fun. With all holdings raided, let's set over to the next province. The enemy is already running away. Some more training for the wolf warriors while our ships get filled up with gold. Oh no. My own wife. A heretic. By the gods. I will just have to burn her. And quickly marry another woman instead. Ah yes, this Orthodox one seems nice. Oh no. It's a rebellion at home. Blasted traitors. I have to leave quick. Just one more holding. Ah yes. Vikinger? Perfect. Now it is time to make an end to this rebellion. He cannot escape RURIK. There you go. Rot away in the prison cell, you scum. While for me, the time has come to teach my son. Greetings to you, my family. I have finally returned from my great adventure in Sicily. Don't worry, my sons. I am going to tell you everything that happened. And then I shall return to ruling in our prosperous hometown and dedicate myself on controlling our vassals.
Father, I am happy for your return. And it seems timing is on your side. I have important news for you.
Well then, what is it?